Hello everyone, Suprabhat, good morning. Welcome to Talkner. In this video, we will see Criminal Procedure Code and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. First question is which of the following is incorrect with respect to diary of proceeding in investigation as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. First option is the statement of witnesses recording during investigation shall be inserted in the diary. Second option, the diary shall be duly paginated. And third option, the diary may be used as evidence. And last option can be used by the police officer to refresh memory. Right option is option C. The diary may be used as evidence. Diary of proceeding in investigation as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. The correct option is the statement of witnesses recording during investigation shall be inserted in the diary, and diary shall be duly paginated, and diary proceeding in investigation can be used by the police officer to refresh memory, right? Next question, in which of the following cases manner of committing offence is not required to be mentioned in the charges as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. First option, age accused of the theft of certain articles at a certain time and place. B option, A is accused of cheating B at the given time and place. C option, A is accused of disobeying a direction of the law with intent to save B from punishment. Option D, A is accused of giving false evidence at a given time and place. Right option is option A. A is accused of the theft of a certain article at a certain time and place. Next question, which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 provides for reference to High Court? Correct option is option D. Section 395 deals with reference to High Court. Next question, a person accused of the following offence may not be granted bail under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. 1. Accused of offence under section 376 AB of the IPC. Second, accused of offence under section 376 DA of the IPC. And third option, accused of offence under section 376 DB of the IPC. Correct option is 1, 2 and 3. Next question, which of the following sentence is an assistant session judge authorized to pass as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? First option, sentence of death. Second option, sentence of imprisonment for life. Third option, sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. Last option, sentence of imprisonment for a term exceeding 10 years. Right answer is sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. Sentence is an assistant session judge authorized to pass sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. Next question, a person arrested by a private person for committing a non-bailable and cognizable offence shall be re-arrested by a police officer if such person come under which of the following provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Section 41, Section 41A, Section 42, Section 43. Right option is option D, Section 43. Next question, which of the following procedure is dealt under Section 164A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Medical examination of the victim of rape, attendance of witness by a police officer. Third option, recording of confession statement. And fourth option, recording of false information report by police officer. Right option is option A, medical examination of the victim of rape deals with section under section 164A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Next question, section 265A to 265L, chapter 21A of the Criminal Procedure Code deals with concept of unlawful assembly, arrest without warrant, search and seizures, plea bargaining. Section 265A to Section 265L, Chapter 21A deals with plea bargaining. Next question, security for good behavior from habitual offender is dealt under Section 109 of CRPC, 110 of CRPC, 111 of CPC, 121 of CRPC. Right option is option under Section 110 of CRPC, deals with security for good behavior from habitual offender. Next question, under which one of the following section of CRPC police officer can arrest an accused without warrant? Section 40, Section 41, Section 42, Section 43. Right answer is Section 41. Option B is correct option. Under Section 41, police officer can arrest an accused without warrant. Next question, which one of the following courts under Criminal Procedure Code 1973 can try a murder case? First option, Judicial Magistrate First Class, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Court of Session, none of the above. Right answer is option C, Court of Session. Next question, custodial death is perhaps one of the worst crime in a civilized society governed by the rule of law. In which case Supreme Court made this remark? A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, M.C. Mehta versus Union of India, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal, Bisakha versus State of Rajasthan. Correct option is D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Deals with custodial death, and Supreme Court remarked the custodial death is perhaps one of the worst crime in a civilized society governed by the rule of law under this case. Next question, in a bailable offence, bail is granted as a matter of right. Option A, by a police officer, option B, by the court, and option C, both by the police officer and the court, and D option, either A and B. Right answer is option C, both by the police officer and the court. In a bailable offence, bail is granted as a matter of right. Next question, a proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceeds on appearance. First option, within 6 months of the attachment, within 2 years of attachment, option C, within 3 years of attachment, and option D, within 1 year of attachment. Right option is option B, within 2 years of attachment. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceed on appearance within 2 years of attachment. Next question, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India opined that bail is the surety and jail is an exception? First option, Joginder Kumar versus State of UP, Moti Ram versus State of MP, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, State of West Bengal versus D.K. Basu. Right answer is Moti Ram versus State of MP. Bail is the surety and jail is an exception ruled in that case law. Next question, the question whether a statement was recorded in the course of investigation is a question of law, question of fact, mixed question of law and fact. Question of law or of fact depend on facts and circumstances. Right option is option B, question of fact. The question whether a statement was recorded in the course of investigation is a question of fact. Remember that, question of fact, not a question of law. Next question, where the police submits a final report under section 173 clause 2 of CRPC 1973 for dropping of proceeding to a magistrate, the magistrate, option A, may accept the same, option B, may reject the same, option C, may reject the same and order further investigation, and option D, any of the above. The right answer is any of the above. Next question, which case is leading case on arrest? Joginder Kumar versus State of UP, State of West Bengal versus D.K. Basu, both A and B, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both A and B. Joginder Kumar versus State of UP and State of West Bengal versus DK Vasu is leading case on arrest. And DK Vasu deals with custodial death also. Next question, the orders under section 125 of CRPC 1973 are summary in nature but finally determine the rights and obligation of the parties. Option B, summary in nature and do not finally determine the rights and obligation of the parties, which are to be finally determined by a civil code. And option C, substantive in nature and finally determine the rights and obligations of the parties. And option D, substantive in nature and are not subject to determination of a right of the parties by a civil code. The right answer is option B, summary in nature and do not finally determine the rights and obligation of parties, which are to be finally determined by a civil code under section 125 of CRPC 1973. Now we will see just introduction of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 2023, passed in Lok Sabha 20 December 2023 and Rajya Sabha in 21st December 2023, Assent date 25th December 2023 and Act number 46 of 2023, Bill number 174C of 2023 and total sections under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 531, total chapter 39 and first and second schedule prescribed under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita with effect from 1st July 2024. Remember that enforcement date 1st July and enactment date 25th December, right? And that's all for today. Thank you so much. All the best.